Pranamam. In this topic, halves and quarters, we are going to learn about fractions. Fractions. When a whole is divided into equal parts, a part or parts of a whole is called fraction. Here is one apple. It is whole. And the apple is divided into two equal parts, which are the parts of the apple. Whole and parts. Each fraction is written in the form of numerator divided by denominator. A whole apple is divided into two parts. The fraction is 1/2, which means half. Here 1 is numerator and 2 is denominator. The line separating the numerator and denominator is called fraction bar. Naming the fraction. Let us now learn how to name the given fractions. A circle is divided into four parts and one part is shaded. So, we write the shaded part in numerator and the remaining parts in the denominator. That is, the shaded part in numerator and the whole part is written in denominator. So, 1/4, 1/4. Here, the rectangle is divided into four equal parts, and among the four parts, three parts are shaded. So, the fraction is 3/4 or 3/4. That is 3 divided by 4. Then, the circle is divided into 10 equal parts. Among the 10 equal parts, 5 parts were shaded. So, we'll write the fraction as 5/10 or 5/10, which is 5 divided by 10. Equivalent fraction. Let's now learn about equivalent fractions. Fractions that represents the same part of the whole are called equivalent fractions. Example, here a circle is divided into half, which is represented as 1 divided by 2. And the same circle is divided into 4 parts, and among the 4 parts, 2 parts were shaded, which is represented as 2/4. Here 1/2 and 2/4 are equivalent fractions. If we multiply the 1/2 with the number 2 both in numerator and denominator, we'll get the number 2/4. Equivalent fractions of any fraction can be get by multiplying or dividing the numerator and denominator of the fraction by same number except 0. Example 1. Write first 3 equivalent fractions of 2/3. Let us now learn how to write the equivalent fractions for the given fraction 2/3. We have to multiply both numerator and denominator by a same number. Don't multiply with 1, because if you multiply with 1, you will get the same fraction. So start from the number 2. 2 by 3 into 2 by 2. So the fraction is 4 by 6. Then 2 by 3 into 3 by 3. The fraction is 6 by 9. 2 by 3 into 4 by 4. The fraction is 8 by 12. The equivalent fractions of 2 by 3 are 4 by 6, 6 by 9 and 8 by 12. Finding equivalent fraction using given numerator and denominator. Example 2. Find the equivalent fraction of 3 by 7 with numerator 15 and denominator 21. Solution. First, we have to divide the given numerator by the numerator of the given fraction, that is 15 divided by 3. We get 5. So, we have to multiply the number 5 with both numerator and denominator, so that we get 3 by 7 into 5 by 5, which is equal to 15 by 35. Then denominator is equal to 21. So we have to divide the given denominator 21 by the denominator of the given fraction, that is 21 divided by 7, which gives us 3. So multiply the 3 in both numerator and denominator. So we get 3 3s are 9 and 7 3s are 21. So the fraction is 9 by 21. Now the next topic about checking whether the given fractions are equivalent or not using cross multiplication method. Example 3. The given two fractions are 3 by 8, 16 by 25. We are going to check whether these two fractions are equivalent or not. First, write the fractions 3 by 8, 16 by 25. Then, for cross multiplication method, we have to multiply the denominator of the given fraction, one of the denominator of given fraction, with the numerator of another fraction. This is the method of cross multiplication. For that, I am putting the cross symbol in between the fractions. The arrow mark denotes which number we have to multiply. First, multiply the number 25 and 3, that is the denominator and the numerator of the opposite fractions. So 25 into 3 is equal to 75. Then 8 into 16, which gives us 128. Both the products are not equal. Here, the products 75 and 128 are not equal. So, 3 by 8 and 16 by 25 are not equivalent fractions. Now, let's check another two fractions. The given fraction is 2 by 5, 10 by 25. First, write the given fractions and put the cross symbol. Then, multiply 25 into 2, which is equal to 50. Then, 5 into 10, which is also equal to 50. Both the products are equal. So, 2 by 5 and 10 by 25 are equivalent fractions. Reducing into lowest form. To reduce into lowest form, divide the numerator and denominator of the given fraction by common divisor. Reduce 48 by 64 into lowest form. The given fraction 48 by 64 is reduced as 6 by 8 by dividing the numerator and denominator by a common divisor. First, I am using 8. So, 48 divided by 8 gives 6. 64 divided by 8 gives 8. So, we get 6 by 8. Here, 8 is the common divisor. Again, 6 by 8 has the common divisor 2. So, 6 by 8 is equal to 3 by 4. That is, 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3 and 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. And then the lowest form of 48 by 64 is 3 by 4. Thank you. Next video is on type of fractions and ordering of fractions.